Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Viper Green Petrol VW Scirocco. So this to me has got the perfect spec for a Scirocco. It's got the bigger wheels, got the privacy glass, pan roof, heated black leather interior, parking sensors with display, folding mirrors, quite a few other extras as well. We'll put the full spec on the advert. So it's only got one previous owner, this car. It's done 78,000 miles. Got both sets of keys, full service history. Just been serviced by our in-house workshop staff. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you've got any questions regarding it, you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.